Okay, I am going to show you how to install your theme and child theme onto your WordPress installation that we did in the previous video. Right now, I'm showing you the home page, and as you can see, this is just the blank default template that WordPress installs with. And we want to fix that. We want it to look like my demo example of my child theme. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to go to my dashboard. And I'm going to go down to Appearance and then over to Themes. I'm going to click on that. And over here on the top, so you can see these are all just the default themes, which we don't want. So we want to go over to here. We want to click on Upload. And we're going to upload the Divi theme that I should have given you in the theme folder you downloaded from me. If you bought a theme from me, that's what this example is mostly for, if you bought a theme from me. Okay, and then you're going to have to, once more, you're going to have to click on Upload Theme and choose File. Okay, and I've got on my desktop, so you're going to want to navigate to wherever your download was, and then you'll probably have to right-click on it, and because it'll probably be a zip file when you do it, so you'll have to right click on it and you'll have to extract off. So you'll do that. It'll open up another folder and I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on divi.zip. It needs to be a zip file in order for you to install it. But we're going to want to just install the Divi theme. Okay, I'm going to press open. There it is, divi.zip. Install now. And it's loading. Okay, here we go. Then I'm going to return to the themes page because we got Divi installed. Now we need to install the child theme. So I'm going to once more go up to the top. I'm going to click upload. Okay, just kidding. Process. Okay, so I'm on the themes page and I'm going to press upload. And then once more, I'm going to press upload theme. I'm going to choose, this time I'm going to choose the child theme in that same folder. So I'm going to give you guys the example. I'm going to install my Lorraine child theme. Open, and then, so you can see this once again needs to be a zip file. Oops, yep, zip file. And then I'm going to press install now. And it's going to load. Okay, that looks like it worked. And then we want to press activate because this is the theme, this child theme, this is the one we want to pull settings from. Now that's loading. Clicked on activate. Here we go. Looks like it worked. You can see this is the demo screenshot. And there we go. After that, you will notice this sort of prompt up here on the top of the screen. We want to install one-click demo import. That's going to really speed up the process to upload all of those settings from this theme, it's going to install all the pages for you. So I'm going to click on Begin Installing Plugin. It's going to take you to this Install Required Plugins page, and you're just going to want to click on Install. And now that's loading. Lots of loading with this setup. Okay, it looks like it says that plugin activated successfully. So I'm going to return to the dashboard. And from there, I am going to go to Appearance and then over to Import Demo Data. Appearance, Import Demo Data. That's going to take you to this page over here, and all you're going to have to do is press this Import Demo Data button, and that's going to just pull all the content, all the images and pages and posts that were in my example website. So that's going to really speed up the process for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click Import Demo Data, and this is what's really going to take a while since it's importing so much information. It's going to take a few minutes. And as you can see, I did this little note up here. Sometimes it takes so long to import all the data that the server will like time out if it's not fast enough. So you might have to click Import Demo Data a couple times. If you get, see, I got this error 500 message. So I'm going to just press this again. Oh, I'm getting a lot of errors. Okay. Okay, well, if that doesn't work, I'm going to see if it imported anything at all. Sorry, media, I'm going to see if it imported anything. Okay, that's it. So I pressed import demo data again, and then it spun for a long time and loaded for a few minutes. And then I just got this notification saying that it is done and I can check and make sure everything worked. There is, however, with Divi, there are a couple other places where we need to import my demo information besides just this one. So next up, I'm going to go over to Divi and I'm going to click on Theme Options. Okay, right now it just has the basic options that come with Divi. So I'm going to press this button over here in the corner. That symbol is what's used throughout WordPress to show import and export. So I'm going to press that button. I'm going to click import and I'm going to choose my file. Okay, so once again, I'm going to navigate over to the folder in my theme, and I've created this folder right here that says import. And so I'm going to go to the one that's labeled theme options, since that's where we are right now. So I'm going to click on theme options, open, and then I'm going to import Divi theme options, and that's going to load for a minute. Okay, as you can see, some of these settings are changed now. This is one of my favorite things about Divi theme options is it allows you to choose a color palette for your website that will pop up every time you edit things. So you don't have to input the same colors over and over again. You can just click on it. So if you want to change the colors of your website, I would just input that here. But we're going to actually get to all that in a different video right now. I need to just focus. Okay, so looks like that worked. The one other place where we will need to input our files is in Theme Builder. So we're going to just go down once again to Divi, Theme Builder. Okay, something weird happened here. I'm going to pause this real quick. Okay, so as I was saying, the next place we need to look at is the Divi Theme Builder. So we were just in Divi Theme Options, and we're going to go to Divi Theme Builder. And once again, we're going to go over to these arrows to import my theme files. Okay, we're going to move over to import. And I'm going to select file. And this time I'm going to do Theme Builder instead of Theme Options. Open. Import Divi Theme Builder template. And I'm also going to click, so these two are clicked. We want to override what you have now. We want to, again, override existing assignments, and we want to apply global defaults to the website. Import Divi Theme Builder. And that's going to load. Still loading. Okay, and that loaded. As you can see, we've got all these different templates here now. And again, I'm going to show you in a different video how to edit all of this. But this basically is setting up your header, your footer, your search page, your error page. And then see, I've also got settings for your post pages, what your posts will look like. So that's how that will be edited in the future. Okay, now we're going to go over and make sure things have loaded okay. So I'm going to go over to our pages. Oh wait, cancel. I'm going to save changes first. Okay, now I'm going to go over to pages and we're just going to check and make sure, yep, looks like everything loaded in. I'm going to go to our website now and I'm going to check the front end and see what it looks like. To do that, you just go up to the top left-hand corner, and that's how you switch back and forth between your dashboard and the front end of your site. So I'm going to click Visit Site. Okay, yeah, it looks like it pulled through. Looks like we will have to add in our logo. I'll show you that in the next video. But yeah, it looks good. Looks like customizer settings pulled through. Yes. Okay. Oh, looks like the footer looks a little funny. Okay, we'll take a look at that. Oh, you know what? I think the settings might not have changed. Okay, we're gonna go through this one more time. I'm gonna go back. Okay, so what I did is I switched. I went up here. I switched. And when you're on the front end, then this will give you the option to go to your dashboard. So I went to my dashboard. I go down to Divi, Theme Builder. Okay, so it looks like when I pressed changes, save changes, it did not work. So we'll just do that again. I'm going to pause the video real quick while I do that again. Okay, so my theme builder options have been uploaded, and as you can see, we've got this is where you edit the header, the footer. We've got custom pages for your Error 404 page, search results page, and all your post pages. This is how you edit all of those global settings. So we're not going to do that right now, though. We're going to do that in the next one of the next videos. I'll show you how to do that. Right now, we're just uploading them, so got to make sure you press Save Changes. Okay, it says all changes saved. Now that was the last step, so we're gonna go visit our website and see if it worked. And it looks like it did work. We've got our header up here. We've got all of our content. Everything looks like it worked. Let's see, scroll down. Yep, our footer worked. Okay, down here, the only other thing, I had an Instagram feed in my demo, and so I'll show you, if you want to do that, I'll show you how to install that. I used a plugin to do it. I'll show you how to do that in a future video. Okay, let me just check one other page, make sure it worked. Yep, looks good. Okay, so that is how you install Divi and my child themes and pull in all the content. And so the next step is actually customizing it to your brand, which is the fun part. So I'll show you those, all the different ways that you can edit that. Okay, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. And I will probably put the steps and the links to buy my themes. If you haven't already, I'll put those all in the description of the video. I can talk. Okay, bye.